Keyboard shortcut is a combination of modifier keys and then a regular key on your keyboard. Keys like Command, Option, Control, and Shift are called modifier keys, and with combining them you can perform a variety of quick commands to speed up your workflow. And you can also take advantage of free materials, which will be found on the website, which I will link for you in the resources of this video. In the blog section you will find a cheat sheet with top power user shortcuts all on a single page, and again, it's free to download it. Now let's go back to modifier keys. It's important to learn these symbols properly. The best is to just look at your keyboard and it should be written on it. It might get a bit trickier if you are using some of the third-party keyboards with your iMac or Mac Pro. It's also important to note that on the Mac keyboard there are two completely separate keys. One is called Control and the other one called Command. This can be confusing if you've come from the Windows world, where Control is the primary modifier key. You would say do Ctrl-C to copy, but on the Mac you use the Command-C to copy. And to make it even more confusing, Control is actually the name of a different key. Most keyboard shortcuts use Command as the primary modifier, not Control, so it's important to realize the difference straight away between Mac and Windows with the Command and Control key, and make sure you are using the correct shortcut key.